Dental bridges are a typical dental procedure to replace some or all missing teeth. They're an efficient and long-lasting option for maintaining an attractive smile and enhancing dental health. The video below will go over the steps to get dental bridges. We will also discuss the various types of bridges as well as the procedure for preparing it and the outcomes when and following the procedure. Types of dental bridges. When undergoing a bridge dental procedure, it is important to know the different kinds of bridges you can choose from. Most commonly used varieties of dental bridges include classic bridges, bridges that cantilever, Maryland bridges, as well as bridges with implants. Traditional bridges comprise at least one pontic tooth, artificial teeth, which can be held together with dental crowns placed on either end of the gap. Bridges that cantilever resemble conventional bridges, however, they support a crown of dental placed on just both sides of a gap. Maryland bridges are constructed out of either a ceramic or a metallic framework that has the pontic tooth attached. They is bonded to the backs of adjoining teeth. In addition, implant-supported bridges can be anchored by dental implants, which can be surgically placed into the jawbone. Preparation process. The process of getting a dental bridge generally involves 2 or more appointments. In the first appointment, you will have your dentist examine the gums and teeth of your patient in order to determine if you're an ideal candidate to receive a bridge. If you're suffering from dental concerns, like dental decay or gum disease that need to be dealt with prior to proceeding with the bridge process, your dentist will then create the abutment teeth. They are the teeth that lie to either end of the gap, where the bridge will be set. They will then shape the teeth and diminished in size so that they can be able to accommodate dental crowns. In certain instances, if the abutment teeth are in good health, Maryland bridges or implant-supported bridges can be suggested in order to maintain the natural tooth-teeth structure. When the abutment tooth is ready, the impressions of your tooth will be used to make the custom-designed dental bridge that will fit exactly inside the mouth of your. The temporary bridge or crown can be fabricated to guard teeth on the abutment while a permanently built bridge is made. What to expect during the procedure? At the next appointment, the bridges and crowns temporarily fitted will be taken off, and the permanent bridge is installed and adjusted to assure the proper alignment. Your dentist will then put the bridge to its place as well as any adjustments taken as required to ensure it is secure and efficient. When the bridge is put in place and your dentist has provided directions on how you can maintain your new bridge. This includes good habits for oral hygiene as well as dietary instructions. Brush and floss daily to reduce plaque and ensure the condition of your bridge and the adjacent teeth. What to expect after the procedure. Following the installation of a dental bridge, you'll likely experience the slightest discomfort or sensitivity within the following days of the procedure. Pain medication available over the counter can help reduce any discomfort or pain. However, if the discomfort persists or becomes worse, be aware to consult your dentist. It's important to visit your dentist on a regular basis for checks as well as cleanings to ensure longevity for the bridge. When properly cared for and maintained, bridges made of dental material can endure for years, giving a healthy and effective solution to the loss of teeth. The bottom line is that the dental bridge is an efficient and popular alternative to replacing teeth that are missing. When you know the various kinds of bridges, their procedures for making one, as well as what you should expect prior to and after, you'll be able to make an informed choice on what type of dental bridge would be suitable for your needs. Discuss with your dentist to find the right treatment option that meets your needs and create a beautiful, healthy smile.